Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. You know, I've been told that money can't buy happiness, but it can buy a lot of craft supplies, and that's pretty darn close. Guess what I got to do? I got to go to the Dollar Tree again, and it was just a quick trip just to basically restock and see maybe things that I hadn't seen before. And I thought maybe you'd be interested in some of the little things that I found. So, let me show you. Alright, the little bunny, these are those little ceramic paint sets. I think they're adorable. And these little ceramic animals that they have several so far, fit into all kinds of little home decor ideas that I have. So I picked up the bunny, and because it reminded me of spring. So got that, and of course the foam. You can't beat this stuff. I use it for everything, not just craft products and our craft ideas, and then of course this. Who wouldn't want this for my front porch? Yeah. And of course these. Now everybody has to have these. These are those little solar dancing critters that you put on your dashboard or back seat, whatever, and they just sit and dance and do that little clicking sound and drive you crazy, but you have to have them, right? Everybody needs these. I got the bunny and the chickie. I got some more of the hair elastics. I like these over regular rubber bands because I can actually see these if they get on the floor, or if they go flying somewhere, or if my cat decides, which they absolutely love playing with these, to leave it laying around. I can actually see the colors, where with a rubber band it's pretty hard. So I got some more of those, and then of course ribbon and lace. I didn't need, but yeah, I got some of the red gingham, I got some lace, and another different kind of lace. These are pretty. They're a cream color, and you get 3 yards for $1. Can't beat that. And these are new to me. These are, they remind me of the mermaid scales. They're the sequins, and I just thought the colors were gorgeous. So I picked up 2 of these, a green and a blue. And this, everybody's buying this. It is so cute. I mean, it's the perfect shape. And I actually do have some little hens and chickens on my front porch that need to go into a better container, and I thought this would be perfect, so I grabbed that. And I picked up 3 of these, the little pots, and it's a 3-pack. They're just the regular clay pots, and I have a tutorial somewhere down the road where the little critters, I love making little critters, so, but these are just the right size to make those little sitting critters. And I picked up 2 more of the headbands before they go away. I have a tutorial coming up not far away where I need some bunny ears, and Yeah, call me lazy, but they're already made and they're right there, and I could not make my ears look like that, and only for $1. So yeah, bunny ears. I'm restocking my decoupage napkins, and I ran across these, and very seldom do we get really nice looking napkins at our Dollar Tree, and these were beautiful, and they didn't have too many actually left. They didn't have the bigger size, but I thought these were I just love I'm a teal person anyway. I love teal and the butterflies, and I thought using those for decoupage, yeah. So, okay, don't judge. I did not buy plastic eggs, but I did buy the egg-shaped chalk. I mean, really. After doing the tutorial where I painted the plastic eggs with chalk paint to make them look like this, I go to the Dollar Tree and they have chalk eggs. No painting required. You grab your glue gun, some embellishments, and you've got rustic chalk eggs. And then afterwards, you can give them to your kids, and everybody in the neighborhood will have a beautifully decorated driveway. And hopefully your neighbors are nice and forgiving. Okay, and these are new to me. These are the LED lights. I've gotten LEDs from before, but they were more of the fairy lights. These actually, this one here is dragonflies, and they come in different colors. And there's 10 of those, and then they had the butterfly ones. If they'd had more dragonflies, I would have picked them up, but me being late, it was the only one left. So I picked up 2 of the butterflies, and I want to make a garland for spring and summer for my front porch, and I thought this wrapped around and mixed in with some garland and some butterfly lights would be just perfect. So I grabbed these, and like I said, I had not seen these before, but that doesn't mean they weren't there before. I just was too late getting there. And then of course flowers are, well, berries. These are they call them cattails, but they're just little tiny beads, basically, on a stem, and I just like the colors. They're kind of a muted, and I thought these are going to look nice, like on a wreath or something. And then I picked up the berries, and I got one of each color. I've got the yellow, the white, and the pink. And can you see these, the leaves? They change color. They go from green to gold and back again. They just shimmer. I mean, I'd never seen that before. And when I look at them, I see all kinds of butterfly wings and stuff like that. But I did buy them for the berries. But like I said, I just fell in love with these leaves. But I got 3 of those. And of course, buckets, more tin buckets. Paying $1 for a tin bucket that's going to sit outside is so much easier for me than paying $25 for a tin bucket that's going to sit outside. So I have no problem with that. And then, last but not least, some more gift bags. I got 2 sets of these. Aren't the colors pretty? And they come 2, and one will have glitter on it and the other will not. But I just love the colors. And I have an idea for a tutorial. And it's one that I have not tried before, and I haven't really seen anybody else do it yet either. But I thought I'd give it a try. It's one of those things that gets stuck in your head and you have to do it to get it out. There are so many things stuck in my head. And then 2 5x7 frames. And these frames will have something to do with these bags. And hopefully I can pull it off. So that should be a tutorial coming up pretty soon. It could be a tutorial, it could be a fail. We'll find out. So I know it wasn't much, and it was basically quick and cheap, but that's the way I am, quick and cheap. But there is my little Dollar Tree haul, and this reminds me, you know, a home really isn't a home until you have a table full of craft supplies. Yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. And I really hope you have a great day. And if you like this kind of stuff, and you like my rambling, hit the subscribe button. It'll tell you the next time I do it again. And please, have a great day. And I really, really hope to see you soon. Bye.